This is Mojoco's Blender Pro. So let's dive right in. Upon opening the box, we're greeted with the drinking lid and the user manual, which contains all the essential information about the product. Next to that is the blender unit itself. Now, this is not your usual portable blender. It's noticeably larger than most, which I think is really fascinating. Let's take a closer look at the product. On the top, we have this detachable part right here. Removing it reveals the main blender unit. Looking closely, you'll see that it has 6 blades designed for precise blending and uniform results. Now, let's check out the drinking lid. It's very straightforward. You have 2 ways to drink, either by using a straw or directly from the drinking spout. So it really depends on your preference. Inside the blender, you'll notice a maximum capacity line. It's important to follow this marking to avoid any issues while blending. You can use any fruits you like, but it's recommended to add a little water when blending for smoother results. When blending ice and fruits together, always place the ice first, followed by the fruits. This helps prevent the blades from getting stuck. Once you've added your ingredients, simply attach the blender lid, press the button on top, flip the machine, and let it do its job. You can give it a gentle shake while blending to ensure a more even mix. As you can see, it blends everything really well. Cleaning is also super easy. Just rinse with water or fill it with water and a bit of dishwashing soap. Run the blender and rinse again. Simple as that. And that's it. That's how you use the Mojoco Blender Pro, a powerful, easy to use, and easy to clean portable blender that lets you enjoy your favorite drinks anytime, anywhere.